You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A beautiful name. So let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. In Spanish, it's pronounced as Rosario. Ro-sa-ri-o. A stress on the sa syllable. Rosario. Now in English, it's generally not pronounced that way, rather as Rosario with a Z sound. But, you know, if you're talking to somebody who is of Spanish origin or Latino origin, you might want to say Rosario rather than Rosario. So yeah, Rosario in Spanish, or Rosario, or Rosario in English. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.